How to change contact name in WhatsApp iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the WhatsApp Communities page. Communities bring members together in topic-based groups. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Here, tap on your profile at the top. Over here, tap on Name. You can change your WhatsApp contact name from here. After that, tap on Save. People will now see this name if you interact with them and they don't have you saved as a contact. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change contact name in WhatsApp iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.